Market close, August 18th, 2026. Markets just closed and fear is gripping this session. The Fear and Greed Index sits at 41 out of 100, and you'll see exactly why in today's final numbers. The S&P 500 finished down 53 points, posting a loss of 0.69%. The Nasdaq got hit harder, sliding 355 points for a 1.33% decline. The Russell 2000 tumbled 1.15% lower as well. Only the Dow showed relative resilience, falling just 0.22%, but that's still red across the board. Here's what's driving today's sell-off. Tech is the major culprit, and it's brutal out there. Intel absolutely imploded, dropping 6.67% on semiconductor weakness concerns. AMD followed suit with a 0.27% decline. Meta got sandblasted too, falling 4.49% as investors reassess social media valuations. Nvidia couldn't escape the tech rout, closing down 2.43% despite massive analyst support. The entire semiconductor sector is under pressure today, and that's contagious across growth stocks. But there were bright spots in this otherwise dreary session. Johnson & Johnson surged 3.34% higher as defensive healthcare buying kicked in. Salesforce climbed 2.59% on solid enterprise demand signals. Energy stocks like Exxon popped 2.56% as oil prices held steady. These are classic risk-off trades where money is fleeing growth and seeking safety. MasterCard and Visa also gained traction, up 2.15% and 1.52% respectively, showing payments processors are holding up. Apple managed a 1.46% gain, which is notable since big tech is mostly underwater. Microsoft barely budged, only up 0.2%. But the analyst community is absolutely bullish on mega-cap tech. 70 Amazon analysts have buy ratings versus 0 sells. Microsoft shows 64 buys to nothing. Nvidia has 64 buys to just 1 sell. This disconnect between analyst enthusiasm and today's selling is significant heading into tomorrow. After-hours activity is relatively calm, but volume is thin, which is typical on down days. Futures aren't showing dramatic overnight moves either way. Here's what you need to watch at tomorrow's open. The single most important thing is whether this tech sell-off finds a floor or accelerates lower. If semiconductor stocks continue tanking into tomorrow, it could trigger broader portfolio rebalancing and shake confidence in the entire AI